How to access the side door handle on a Gen 3 Peugeot Expert from the inside. When I was carpeting my van, I couldn't find a tutorial on how to remove the trim around the door handle, so I thought I'd make a short guide on how to do it. The only tools you'll need for this is a screwdriver with a 6-lobe Torx screw head, as well as a trim removal set which will make things a lot easier. I started by using the trim remover to take out the centerpiece around the door handle. With that out the way, it revealed 2 screws that hold the main surrounding trim in place, as well as the handle itself. After these are undone, it's just a case of pulling the trim away from the door. The trim is held in place with plastic tabs. If any of these get stuck in the door, they can easily be removed and slotted back into place. Once this is done, you'll be able to access the door handle for a replacement, or carpet line the van more easily like we did. I'll leave a link to the full video below. Thank you for watching.